Breaking news just coming in. Reports coming out of Tamil Nadu indicate that Karunanidhi has said that he will cut short his fast. That is the breaking news coming in at this time. Remember, earlier today, the DMK Supremo decided to go on an unplanned fast, which even took the DMK by surprise. Karunanidhi at that time said that it was an indefinite fast that he had embarked upon to protest the Lankan army's assault against the LTTE, especially after the LTTE yesterday called for a unilateral ceasefire, which was dismissed by the Lankan army, who said that the LTTE had no choice now but to surrender as they had been cornered within 6 kilometers of land in Sri Lanka. Karunanidhi calling for a separate ERM state and condemning the Lankan army's moves against the LTTE after it decided to call for a ceasefire. Karunanidhi has said that the Sri Lankan government must go in for a ceasefire, and he said that the fast was in protest, protest against the Lankan army's moves against the LTTE in this regard. Well, his decision to take this step now comes as a bit of a surprise after he said that he will cut short his fast, but we will let you know more on what exactly were the circumstances where he had to cut short